Avocado with smoked fish. A main dish from Ghana. Serves 2. You will need 11 ingredients. Step 1. Remove the skin and bones from fish and flake the flesh with a fork. Step 2. In a deep bowl, mash the egg yolks with the milk until they form a smooth paste. Add sugar, salt, and 1 tablespoon of the lime juice. Then beat in the vegetable oil, a teaspoon or so at a time. Step 3. Add the olive oil in the same gradual manner. Cut the avocados in half, chop egg whites finely, and add them to the bowl with the fish along mixture. With the fish. Garnish with pepper or pimento, and pass around the remaining lime juice to sprinkle on individual servings. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.